Number 8. Factor 20k squared plus 47k plus 24. Alright, notice we have this 47 in the middle here. That's going to be important to us, alright? The first thing we're going to do is we're going to write 20k here and 20k here. Alright? So we've got an extra 20 because 20 times 20 is not 20. Nevertheless, we write 20k here and 20k here. Then set up my template. We're going to have a multiplication here, and this is sort of like the AC method where you take 20 times 24. That's going to give you 480. And remember I told you this was important? We'll underline that with red and put it over here and put the 47 right there. Now we're going to list all of the factors of 480. So we have 1 times 480, 2 goes into 480, 240 times, 3 goes into 480, 160, 4 times 120 is 480, 5 times 96 is 180, 480, 6 times 80 is 480, 8 times 60 is 480, got a few more left to do here, 10 times 48, 12 times 40, 15 times 32 is also 480, 13 and 14 and 11 won't go into 480, alright, 16 times 30 is 480, and 20 times 24. See how the numbers started way apart here? And they get closer and closer together? And that's all of our factors of 480. Now we're looking for a 47. Here we get 481, 242. When you add these, 240 plus 2, 242, 163, 124. 96 plus 5 is 101. This is 86. That's 68. That's 58. We're getting closer to 47, aren't we? We're all the way at 58, aren't we? Here's 52, and there's our 47. Okay? Notice the next one after that's 46. So we went from 52 to 47 to 46 to 44. And these two are the two we want to use. I'll put the 15 and the 32 right here. And those are the two numbers that you multiply to get 480, and you add them to get 47. The 15 we can write right here. The 32 I can write right here. Okay. Then I got a factor. What kind of factor out of these two? How about a 4? Let's go back to that a second here. We get 4 times 5 is 20, and 4 times 8 is 32. So I can take a 4 out of both those, leaving me a 5k plus an 8. Out of these two, factor a 5 out. 5 times 4k and 5 times 3. So you're going to have 5 times 4k plus 3. Alright? Remember I told you a while ago we had an extra 20? Well, now we're going to get rid of it. We have an extra 4 here and an extra 5 we'll get rid of. Cross off the 4. Cross off the 5. That made 20. Remember we wrote 20 and 20? We had an extra 20. Well, there it is. 4 and 5. We're going to get rid of that right now. Final answer, 5k plus 8 times 4k plus 3. This is the no-fuss factoring method.